cái này như nó được 4 cái đó, có 4 được 5.
When you don't have a Daiso store in your area and you hit one up in California, this is what happens. This all just came out of our suitcase. I'll show you what we found. This my daughter picked out is a scrapbook with brown pages inside, spiral bound, square. And my other daughter loves polar bears, so we got these sticky notes. And she also likes panda because they're white, so she got these note cards. My nephew is an orthodontist, and I found these tooth erasers and some with cavities. I thought that was hysterical, and so we're going to send those to him. I bought this for myself. This will go in our kitchen. It's a tong, and you just push the bottom and it opens up, and then you push the bottom or pull the bottom and it locks closed. This is a purse hook or a backpack hook, and it folds shut like this, and then when you open it up it hooks onto the table or sits on the table like that, and then the hook goes underneath and holds your bag. I got two of these. These are kaleidoscopes. We have that one and a red one. Here's the red one. And then we got two sets of chopsticks, and they come in their own carrying case, so that's kind of fun. So we got two of these. These are paint palettes for watercolor or acrylic paint. That's the front, that's the back, so hopefully you can see how many little spots there are, and then the big, large mixing in the center. And we got two of those. I got two of these because they had different colors. This is like embroidery floss. This one I really liked because of the variation in the color. And then this solid one, and I thought we would use it to make friendship bracelets. Got two of these. They are scissors that you can carry in your purse or your backpack. So those will go with my daughters to school this year. Sorry, can't focus on the name, but you get the idea. Okay, more polar bear post-it notes. And more, well, these are, they fold over to mark your page in your book. And those are chicken themed, and I think these are animal themed tags to mark your books. They're birds. Same kind of thing, but this time with polar bears. The glare off of the plastic is a little harsh, sorry. And we got, which we didn't use while we were there, but we had bought these to use in California. You know, long balloons to make animals with. And then we got all these different pens. I think a lot of them are calligraphy pens, and no, sorry, they're different thicknesses of ink. Both of my daughters like to draw, and so we bought 3 sets. There's 2 colors. You can see there's the green color and the pink color, and those are different thicknesses, and they're just I'll show you, they indicate on the package right here the thickness. So that's one package, and this is the other package, so hopefully you can see the difference between the mark making. And these are highlighters for back to school fun. And so are these. These are two different ends. I think there's a sharp end and then a wider end. And then these are a gift for a friend, but they're sticky notes in bright colors in a cute little container. And this is a gift for a friend also, but this is a pencil holder. And hopefully you can see that. May happiness follow you wherever you go. May joy and health be with you always. So that's the zippered pencil case. And then this is the pad that goes with it with the same saying. And then it has blank pages inside. So you could use it as a scrapbook, or you could use it for drawing, or you could glue things into it. So those are gifts. And then we got these, they're mechanical pencils, and they have these cute little flower ends on them. We had some similar ones with gems. They didn't hold up very well, so hopefully these will do a little better. We'll see. And then these are both pencils. So here's a really thin one. And then here are blue and black. You can always tell they're pencils because they have the size lead to use on them. And then here's some lead that will go in those pencils. You can see that. And then I got these for myself. They're more of those sticky notes to go in books or papers or whatever to highlight the page. And then these are I thought these were kind of clever. They're caps for pencils or pens, and then they have a sharpener on them. So that will work nice for the wooden pencils. You could put a cap on it and have the sharpener enclosed as well. You've probably seen these. I remember this growing up, but this is like that plastic balloon stuff that you blow up. And so there are the straws that you use, and then the plastic is in these little toothpaste containers, and then you can blow them up and make bubbles, and they're typically sticky. I'll show you this because it's sitting here in the way. This is ribbon tape, and so it is ribbon with a sticky back, and so I thought that was cute. And I'm thinking it looks to me like there's 4 separate rolls instead of 1 large roll. Then we got these cute notebooks. I think we're using one as a gift, and then I was going to use the other one to put vinyl on the front, and it has this plastic, or excuse me, this elastic pencil or pen holder here. So we got 2 of those. They're just plain. This is a vinyl protectant, and they had them in black and I think red. I don't think there were any other colors, but this is, and the pad is rather thick, so those are fun. I bought this for our shower drain. We tend to shed a lot and get a lot of hair down the drain, so I was hoping that this might help in our shower. We got 2 of these. And I just don't remember, what are they called? They're, I'm going to butcher the name. Kendamas. They're a game. They're like you hold the mallet in your hand and you rotate it back and forth and try to catch the ball. The ball is attached on a string so you don't lose it. We got one for a gift and one for us. And then this is a fountain pen. I think this one might be a gift as well, but it's nice. It's a fountain pen and it comes with the cartridge of ink as well. And then we got these in the food aisle, but I think we're going to use them for crafting and for paper. But this one is a cat punch, so it makes the face. And then this one is a panda, and it makes the face. You're supposed to do it out of seaweed and, put it on your sushi rolls. But I think we may find some other uses for those. Let's see, another pen. And more lead. And then we got these. We've actually bought 3 of them. That's all they had in the store. But this is special calligraphy paper. We haven't opened it up or felt it. Like I said, we got 3 of them, and I'm hoping that this is, what I'm anticipating is that it's a more slick surface, because when you write calligraphy, regular paper absorbs the ink, and you really want the ink to flow on the paper. So hopefully this will work. And then I bought this. It's a magnetic sheet I've been waiting to find one at the Dollar Tree, and they just haven't come out yet. So I saw this one at Daiso and decided to grab it. It's a just one solid magnetic sheet. You can draw on them, mark on them, use them as a white erase board, but you can also cut them. And so I'm probably going to use this in my Cricut and cut it up and do something fun with it. Just a few more things. We typically always get something like this while we go there, and this is a wig. So that's kind of fun dress up that my girls like to have. And this one is $6, which is a little bit higher than most things at Daiso. Daiso is a yen store, and so most items are $1.50. These are for gifts for a friend. They're metallic pens, but I think they have black ink in them. I don't think, I don't know if they're metallic or not, but they are shiny metallic pens. Can you see? Does it say on there? And then the last thing we got, which we always get, are Haichu candies. And if you haven't tried these, they are fantastic. This one is a 3-flavor pack with grape, sour apple, and strawberry. So there's 3 different, they're individually wrapped so that you can use them for more than just one person. You can hand them out as individual candies or carry them in your purse or whatever you'd like to do. But they have a really interesting texture to them, and they're chewy. So that's everything we got at Daiso, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what we found.